G'day guys, this is Antix Airsoft and I'm playing again on Veckring. And here we go. Here's the situation. We climb on the podium while the other person on tree counts, and we then come up and go shoot. I didn't shoot because I have seen no enemies. So I've only shot after I have seen the person on the door frame in front of me.
Ja, da linken ist einer, linker Türrahmen. Achtung, links!
This was the section what I really hate. Everybody was just like going like straight on to the enemies. But the enemies were flanking us from the left side. Everybody knew, but nobody was doing anything about it.
Hit! Finger. Einzelne Waffe und zwei so. Wir müssen uns auf eine Seite konzentrieren. Entweder links oder rechts. Wir müssen Leute aufs Fenster halten, Leute nach vorne. Guck mal, da hinten sind noch welche. Laufen, wir müssen einfach laufen. Schießen und laufen und nach vorne an die Wand rein. Ja, ich bin noch so.
Well, I kind of forgot and I can't understand really what I was talking about. So I was just like deciding to rush like from to the left side of the building where enemies are coming from. Well, the thing is I only have a 0.5 joule airsoft and mine is very weak like compared to them. Because they're playing like with 1.2 joule to 3 joule and I just have 0.5 joule like I mentioned.
Gut. Erst ziehen, dann schießen.
You really can't imagine how happy I was about this shot. I was kinda irritated and I will learn about this situation. And I just got shot because the enemy was right in front of me and I didn't saw him.
Hit! Das alle raus, ne? Ja. Andi hält sich da oben wacker. Achso, ich hab gedacht, die haben doch unendlich Respawns, oder? Der macht die Seite gerade zu. Und er ist gerade hinterher. Rechts macht sich links und wir gehen mitten drauf. Wir gehen jetzt mit, dass wir noch gesprochen haben. Wir machen die Seite ganz gut. Dann gehen wir rein und wenn wir dran zu weg ist, dann scheiße da. Und drauf.
Right now I'm checking my front and after that I'm trying to go to my 9 o'clock. So just uphill and then check for enemies.
Was ist das da hinten? Da links, wenn du weit kannst du raus den Zaun. Die sind außer dem Zaun rausgegangen. Hä? Ja, machen die aber trotzdem. Ja, sehen.
We have agreed on an area. Many have fired on outside of the area, which has pretty surprised me.
Wir schießen uns außer dem Zaun.
I saw an enemy offside run to me and tried to shoot him.
Nein, nein, nein! Links! Danke!
Unfortunately, I had to reload, while my other teammate put him out of action. My teammate told him that his collegians should play inside the field. And one more empty mag. Right on my 12, 70 meters, there was a sniper. Well, I just have let him, because I didn't have the range. If you look closely now, where I'm looking at, you see that he almost have hit me. But I was very lucky. And so I was just going down and look to the right side.
Da hinten ist einer, siehst du den? Ganz weit weg. Guck mal, da oben ist einer.
This day it was my first time playing Airsoft, so I didn't know if he could really get me. Well, he almost got me, but I just asked for safety.
Oh, fuck it.
I decided to go in the house. Right to my 12, behind the walls, there were two enemies camping there. And on the left side to the walls, there was a sniper just laying down. Well, I tried to shoot him, but I realized that I don't have the range, so I decided to leave him after a while, trying to shoot him. I was peeking out on the left side of the corner, and I didn't know if it was a friendly or an enemy, so I decided to let him. So I was going to the right side of the cover so he didn't see me, and tried to focus more on the other guys on my 12. This is really kinda unfair, because they got a range and I kinda don't. When I came in the doorway, I saw 3 enemies in the hole, right in front of me. So I shoot them all out. My team leader right in front of me and me, we got out of ammo, so we decided to head up back to base. Thanks for watching guys, please leave a comment down below and subscribe me and give a like. This is Antix Airsoft and I'm out.